Hey, what's up guys, this is Miradhanok here, back with another new video, and in this video I will show you that how you can change the theme of Instagram from light theme to dark theme. The process is pretty simple, so let's go to the tutorial itself. So guys, to enable the dark theme on Instagram, just go to the Instagram app. Once you go to the Instagram app, just simply click on your profile icon. Once you click on that, click on this three dot on the upper right side. Once you click on that, then click on the setting in the below right corner. Once you click on that, click on this theme icon that I have selected right now. Once you click on the theme icon, then choose the light to dark. Once you click on that, as you can see, our Instagram has turned to the dark theme. As you can see, the entire Instagram scene has turned to dark. So guys, this was the quick tutorial of how you can change the light theme of Instagram to dark theme. The process is pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, smash the like button, comment below that what kind of tutorial you wanted to see next in my channel. I will bring that video in next week. Until then, peace out.